we're going to have a look at making a page layout using your essentials, but also using your main dies, okay? So what we've already done, as you can see, I've cut out 3 of the different size dies that only cut on the 3 sides, because this is actually going to formulate a page. So let's work. This is going to come into this side, so you can see how that's going to overlap that one, and then this one's going to come out the other way. So basically it's going to open out like a little book in its own right. So starting at the bottom here, we have cut out a piece of patterned paper using your die, so it fits perfectly, so you can see all the little perforations all the way around. But what we've also done is we've used the next size down die and taken the centre panel away. We're going to use that bit in a bit. So let's go ahead and stick some of this together. Now I want that to sit nicely on there, but I want my other page to come straight over the top. So what we do is I'm going to line up that page so it's level. I'm going to turn it over, and I'm going to take my embossing tool and I'm going to put a score line down that side there. I'm going to bend that over, and I'm going to stick that inside there. So let's take some tape and put some tape onto there. Give that a trim. Take that tape away. Just give it a little. There we go. So make sure you've got your alignment right before you stick it down, and stick that one down. So now that is going to stick onto that one, but yet we're going to fold it over. So let's get rid of that sticky tape by putting in the centre that die there, okay? But if we want to have a purple layer showing, we use the same die that we cut it out, and then the next one from the next die collection is going to go into the middle. So let's just get rid of that piece of tape there. Let's take this one, and that's going to be somewhere where you can put your journaling on there. So now we can stick that one down. So a little bit on the back, and that is going to come and sit into there. So I'm not sticking this side down yet, okay? You can see I'm holding that side up. So we've got that level. So this little one is going to come in as well. So we need to close that one off, align that one, tuck that one over the edge there, a little bit more glue, and then that is all going to sit all nice and neat in the middle of there. So now we've got flip, flap, we've got that section in the middle there. So I want this to actually magnetize to this one here, okay? Because that's going to come over there and that's going to come over there. We're going to put the magnet under there to begin with. So the easiest way to stick your magnets down, I've got my 2 little magnets there. So don't forget you've got your north and your south with the magnets. So look, they get everywhere. Let's get rid of them. So take 2 little squares of high tack tape, and you're going to put, you've got both magnets together still, you're going to put your high tack on your magnet, and you're literally going to take the back off of there, you're going to put it underneath, you're going to put your other tape on the top of that one. It doesn't have to be precise because we're actually going to move it in a minute. We're going to disguise where it actually is. So let's just take, come on Mr. Tape. Oh, it don't want to play ball. Let's give it a little bit of persuasion. Let's pull it back a little bit. Come on. There we go. And then stick that one onto there. So you've got your magnets in the right places. Okay, so now we have got the decoration dies that come in that beautiful large collection there. So that one, we have used the outside edge, we've used the interior, and that's going to go onto there and disguise where that magnet is. It hides it. So let's place some adhesive onto there, all the way around, like so. You do have a nice leading edge that you're able to do that. So let's place that one just either side of those little perforations. Hold that one down, and then the same die as what we used to cut that aperture out is going to fit inside that one, so somewhere else for pictures and journaling. So that's going to go into there. We've gone down a size again in those beautiful decorative dies, so we can cover up that magnet at the front. So a little bit of adhesive on there as well. Placing that into there. So all these could have pictures. I don't know if you're making a children's one, you can put children's photographs in there, pets, you know, all those cheeky little things that the cats or dogs get up to. Write it all down. So that one into there. We have another one to go onto that side. Let's just stick a bit more glue under there, because that's just lifting. So let's stick that one down. Stick this one down as well. So all this really is used plain paper. It's used one tiny bit of patterned paper, but yeah, the paper that we've taken out, we're going to use as our front cover. So you're really utilising all the patterned papers, because you know the patterned papers can be quite expensive, but by utilising it in this way, you get the most out of them. So let's just hold that one. So that's going to go over. My magnet is going to clip it shut. So that's all clipped shut with the magnets. This one that we cut out is going to fill that front, but you're still going to see those beautiful perforations. Another one, nice and layered for the front, like that, with one of the beautiful essential sentiments just going onto the front there as well. And there you have just one page layout with your magnetized closing for your page. Now you can either put that in with the spine, or you can put it in the other way without the spine. That's entirely up to you, but it just gives you a nice idea of how you can do some of your flips and flaps. See you later.